Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to explore a fascinating technology for database management. It's called PlanetScale. Let me show you here. PlanetScale, okay. We'll see how PlanetScale offers databases from free plan and its global reach. Okay, let's get started. PlanetScale, what is it? PlanetScale is a database hosting service that offers, for example here, the hobby pricing. It's a hobby plan for free. What does this mean? It means that you can start using their services with no initial cost at all. Okay, once you start using it, let me show you like one of my database that I have here. For example, this one is good. Okay, they have servers distributed all around the world. For those in Colombia, the nearest servers are located either in the United States and Brazil. This ensures fast and efficient access to your databases wherever you are, and that makes the databases run faster. Okay. Additionally, PlanetScale uses MySQL. Let me show you. Here is like, we'll see like this is like a graph that shows you the latency of the latest queries to this database. Okay, I connect to them with this branch that is connected. So I'm going to do a select everything from the table client. That's the table I have here. I have to change that. Okay, as you can see, I wanted to do this only to show you that it uses MySQL, one of the most popular and reliable database systems. A notable feature of PlanetScale is its focus on database versioning. What is versioning, you will ask? Okay, do you remember when back at high school, you have like this crazy naming convention, like, okay, I have this file, it can be either a Word file, a PowerPoint file, a whatever file, and the first one is called new. Next you have a new final. Next you have a next final, new final is the final, new final is final for sure, new final is final. Okay, I will have to censor this part of the video, but okay, you understand the idea. Like, you have many copies of the same file, only with different small changes in it. Okay, versioning, for those who are already developing applications, those will know that it's simply a mechanism, a technique, a tool that allows you only to have one single file. And you can go back in time or go ahead in time to check out the different changes that this file has had over time. Okay, that's all. That's it. A versioning system allows you to maintain a single file, in this case a database, and record changes over time. Goodbye to the confusion multiple file system. What's interesting is that PlanetScale allows you to work with branches, just like in software development. You can create a development branch to freely modify tables. Once you are satisfied with the changes, you can perform safe migrations. Just let me show you. Just like, let's imagine this is like, I have here the main branch and the first battle branch. Okay, that's just the crazy name I gave it to this develop branch. Let's say that here I'm going to alter a table. I don't know, the table user, etc, etc. I'm going to add new fields. I'm going to modify the properties of an already existing field, or I can even delete the field, or I can even delete the whole table and create another one. So okay, let's say I do this, I do that. Okay, those changes are in this branch, in the develop branch, in this case the first battle branch. And then here in branches I will have this branch. Okay, here you can see only the changes, and it's more, I didn't know that I have a change that I haven't committed here. Roll in the active. Okay, here we can see that I had these two attributes, and then I added a default value to them. So those are some changes. And if I want to, I could simply to deploy those changes to main. What does that mean? I mean, these changes are here in this develop branch, but if you deploy them to main, so those changes will be applied to the production branch of your database. That means the production branch is the database that it's currently open to public, that it's working in the company, okay, outside in the world. So you could create a deploy request, and once you create a deploy request, you go here in deploy request, and you can accept it. You can either to accept it or to reject it. That's all. Okay. That's this process of passing the changes made to the develop branch to the main production branch. It's called a safe migration, because before of versioning, doing those changes directly into the production branch were really dangerous, because you may lose control, you may lose information, and that might be the end of, not the end of the work, but it can become the end of your career. So almost the same. A safe migration, on the other hand, allows you to perform a safe changes passing from the develop branch to the main production branch. Okay. However, please note that these migrations only affect the structure of the tables, not their content. The contents that you have in the develop branch will not be automatically like copy paste into the main branch. You will have to insert the new information again. Okay, that's for safety measurements. Okay. In summary, PlanetScale offers you the opportunity to host databases from a free plan with servers around the whole world and a focus on version control. And when you combine it with project management tools like Git-Kraken or Kanban boards, that are some tools that I will be reviewing in next videos, you have a powerful solution for managing and collaborating on your databases in team. Okay, thank you for joining us in this introduction to PlanetScale, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends, and until next time.